Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are exploring Blonex next generation crypto platform featuring an AI trading assistant along with the live pre-sale of its native Blown token. Before we proceed further, I would like to clarify that this video content is for educational purpose only. Cryptocurrency trading involves market risk. Always do your research before making any financial decision. Viewers, Blonex is a derivative first crypto exchange engineered for speed and stability. So this is the website of the Blonex exchange. You can check out the details. It offers fast order matching under 10 millisecond, 99.9% uptime, and supports over 200 trading pairs. The link has been given in the description of the video. Now let's come to the main topic, that is Blown Presale, which is a utility token for Blonex exchange. The Blown Presale is currently live on the BNB Smart Chain using the BEP20 token standard. Out of the 1 billion total supply, 250 million tokens are dedicated to this structured 9 stages pre-sale. So here you can see that first of all we will have to connect our wallet. Different options are available. I am going to connect my MetaMask wallet. So after connecting the wallet, you can get access to the pre-sale dashboard. So here you can check out the pre-sale dashboard. So this is very user-friendly. Viewers, you can check out that pre-sale is designed with dynamic pricing phases. Each stage progresses as set time, reframes, and complete or allocated volumes fill. As displayed on the light dashboard, the pre-sale is in stage 4 with stage 5 marred as the upcoming price phase. Participating early allows community members to secure their position before subsequent stage adjustment. So the current price has been mentioned here, 0.1 USDT, and the next expected price has been mentioned here. You can also check out that just 43 days have been remaining till the next stage comes. You can also check out USDT raised, blown, sold, and supply left. So there are two options. You can select USDT or BNB to purchase it, and here you can also check out that we can pay with USDT or BNB. If we put the amount 100 here, you can check out that we can grab this blown token and we will have to approve it. So in this way you can purchase it, you can buy it. The process is very simple and very easy. You can join using BNB or USDT, and you can also check out other details. Now I am going to explain the referral program. So viewers, here you can check out its amazing feature, that is referral program. You can also check out my referral board. You can copy it and share it with your friends and followers to be part of the referral program. So, viewers, the platform features a multi-tiered referral network system. Users can share their referral link to invite others, build their network, and untiered community rewards. And the next amazing feature, that is swap. You can swap loan to USDT, valid balance, unused entitlement, and currently swappable loan are separate values. So here you can check out that you can swap them. So the Blonex includes an integrated swap feature. This allows users to easily exchange earned interest rewards or tokens into USDT directly with the platform environment. Here you can also check out the other details. So now we will discuss the key features. Here you can check out the other details. Like you can see that key features include a high-performance perpetual futures engine, up and down directional trading, real-time margin risk controls, AI assisted market signals, and integrated reward centers are the amazing features. You can also check out another amazing feature, that is AI rule enforcement system, the core system. Next, AI apt as a trading discipline system rather than an automated trading bot. It does not trade for you or predict profits. Instead, it enforces rules you set, like leverage cap, stop loss requirement, and position limits to help prevent emotional trades like revenge tradings. You can also check out the Blown tire system. Holding Blown tokens unlocks different levels of AI discipline control. We see 1,000 Blown basic standard trading scenarios and weekly reports. So 1,000 Blown with basic standard trading scenarios and weekly reports, and the next one is 10,000 Blown compound rules, daily reports, and custom cooldowns, and the 100,000 Blown Full scenario complexity, real-time trade feedback, and advanced bluffing features are available. And here you can also check out the Blone's utility. The Blone token provides essential platform utilities, including trading fee discounts starting at 5%, access to loss recovery campaigns, bonus reward multipliers, and governance voting rights. So here you can also check out further details have been provided here. So viewers, you can also check out that by holding Blone, traders gain direct access to the advanced AI control resolution, ensuring users define scenario, validation, and real-time rule violation detection. You can also check out the detail of the Tokenomics. Blone is a DEP20 token on the DNB Smart Chain with a total fixed supply of 1 billion tokens. The distribution includes 25% share for the rewards, 25% share for the pre-sale, 15% for the operations, and 10% for the ecosystem, 10% reserve for the strategic reserves, and 10% for the marketing, and 5% for the fee. Here you can also check out the Blone contract address. If you want to copy it, you can check out it, and you can also verify it on BSC Binance Smart Chain. So here you can also check out other details and other benefits like exclusive pre-sale benefits. Viewers, early pre-sale participants secure tokens during early phase before the public exchange launch wide, enjoying full platform abilities such as fee discounts and AI tools even during the token vesting period. Here you can also check out the pre-sales versus post-launch comparison and benefits. During the pre-sale, participants receiving early bird benefits and structured stage pricing period with a 12-month vesting schedule. Post-launch access will only be available at variable market prices without early spotter spots. How it works, you can check out the details. Participating in the pre-sale is simple. You can join the pre-sale. You can also check out how it works to join the pre-sale. Second step is TGE, token generated. Receive 15% of your purchase immediately at the token generation event vesting period and enjoy benefits. Details have been provided here. And now I will explain how to participate. Step 1 is prepare wallet. Connect to BNB chain and then must have some balance in your wallet like USDT or BNB. Then accept the terms and condition and then you can purchase the token. So this is how you can grab it. You can also check out the pre-sale schedule. Current stage is 4 price and next price has been mentioned here. The current stage is going to be end in the 43 days or on progress has been mentioned here. You can also check out other details about the stages. You can also check out the vesting timeline. Token purchase during the pre-sale follow-up balance to release structure. 15% of token unlock immediately at the token generation event, while the remaining 85% unlock gradually over 12 months. The project roadmap details plan milestone through 2026 and into 2027. Quarter 1 pre-sale rollout, security audits, and exchange officials. And you can also check out the Quarter 3 and Quarter 4 of 2026 listing, governance, AI system upgrades, and many more. You can also check out different features and different phases like preparation, launch, expand, grow, and optimization. These are the different phases of the roadmap, so you can also check out. And here I would like to recommend all my viewers to read out the white paper for a complete technical breakdown and deep operational insights. You can review the official Blonex white paper available on their website. And here I would like to recommend all my viewers to follow the Blonex official Twitter account. Viewers following the official Blonex Twitter account keeps you updated on real-time state transitions, feature announcements, and e-project news. So, viewers, thank you for watching this overview of Blonex and the Blone pre-sale. All official platform links and white paper details are provided in the description below. Remember to like the video, share your thoughts in the comment section, and subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates.